Nature. Something that recalls to our human origin. How often do you feel its call? Stepping out of an ordinary life into the wild world, you can feel the strengths of nature. OLTO-8 iron is a companion that leads you to adventure. Made for those who choose to celebrate strength and individuality, for people who make good use of time and want to have more meaning in their lives. Time has no limitations, and it moves continuously at its own pace. And you're the one to choose your own path. Deciding how to spend the precious moments of your life. With an uncompromised quality, stylish design, and luxury components throughout, the OLTO-8 iron is the perfect complement to any exciting experience. Choose your own way to experience the world with OLTO-8 iron.